What's up family and friends, Throttle PHI here, and today ngayong araw i-review natin ang Taichi RSJ 330 Cordura Hoodie. Let's go! So, saan ko nga ba siya na-purchase? So, saan ko nga ba na-purchase or nabili yung jacket? So, disclaimer lang, I'm not sponsored by Motoworld or Taichi. So, nabili ko yung jacket sa Motoworld in Alabang Westgate Hub. And it came in 3 colors, black, white, and blue. And it also came in 5 sizes from small, medium, large, XL, and 2XL. And currently, ang price niya is at $6,950. So, sino at paano nagsimula ang Taichi products? Si Taichi Yoshimura was born in Osaka, Japan. Taichi products have been in the business for about 40 years. It started with the passion of one rider, their founder, Taichi Yoshimura. He was a contracted factory Suzuki writer in 1966 to 1972. Taichi was a well-respected racer in Japan, and he set out to pursue his dream of the ultimate motorcycle store. His vision was to collect all of his knowledge and experience and transform this into Taichi products. He wants to create products that allows riders to enjoy their motorcycle both safely and comfortably. So, without further ado, I present to you the Taichi RSJ 330 Cordura Hoodie. Product explanation and features. You have an option to add a chest protector. Shoulder, currently, meron siyang level 1 protector that is adjustable. Sa elbow naman, meron din siyang level 1 elbow protector that is also adjustable. Current product uses a polyethylene back protector. T-dry technology, mesh material used inside the jacket. Durable, high moisture absorption, and quick dry. Increased visibility in nighttime by reflecting the light from other vehicles. Cordura material, it's a fabric with excellent durability that is 7 times stronger than the nylon material. Current weight is at 1.69 kilograms. Ito na yung ating feedback session about the Taichi RSJ 330 Cordura jacket. So, I'ma tell you or explain the things I like about it. Number 1, tingin ko low profile lang yung jacket. Hindi ko kasi masyado gusto yung aggressive look. And most of the time pag nagra-ride ako, talagang naka-hoodie jacket lang. So, isa to sa mga nagustuhan ko dito. Second is, na-upgrade yung mga pads. So, if you want to like add extra protection, you can add chest, shoulder, back, and elbow pads na mas higher yung level. And then next, yung material na ginamit, yung Cordura material na ginamit sa jacket na to, it's actually being used para sa mga military apparels rin. So, it's really a tough type of fabric. You know that this riding jacket will last you for a lifetime. Now, let me talk about the things that I think na needs improvement. Since Cordura nga yung ginamit na material, makapal siya. Imagine mo na lang sa initan, talagang papawisan ka. Especially pag city driving siguro na madalas kang nakastop or mabagal yung takbo mo. But you can imagine naman like pag nighttime, hindi ka lalamigin talaga. Kasi I've tried using this pababa galing ng Tagaytay and it's really cold out there. Ma-enjoy mo talaga yung jacket na to. Pero yung next is yung weight niya. It's actually 1.69 kilograms with the protection that you have na considering the elbow, shoulder, and back pads. So medyo mabigat siya. And I think that's all I can say about this jacket. Watch out kayo guys kasi magre-review pa tayo ng ibang Taichi product. So massive shoutout sa lahat sa inyo, sa lahat na sumusuporta. This is Throttle PHI and thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this.